So if you are sharing there.
Yes, sir. I will share the PPT. You can start the presentation, sir. One second.
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing the PPT, sir. One second.
So warm greetings from Neelachal municipality. Yes, I will wait.
Yes, sir. Here is your PPT, sir. You can see the PPT, sir.
Sir, members of the jury, warm greetings from Neelachal municipality, the cultural capital of Kasaragod district, Kerala. Some technical problem.
Sir, it might be network issue you are facing.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
so, the Neelachal municipality has. Can I start?
Yeah, carry on.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, please carry on. We are hearing you.
There might be, sir, network issue he is facing, I think.
Yeah, I think he does have a network problem.
Is there?
Sir, I don't think so. He's there, sir.
Take him on the phone.
No, I think he is there only.
Yes, he's on mute. He's on mute. So you are on mute, sir.
Mute yourself.
You are muted.
So I can start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can start, sir. Sir, you have a less time, sir. You can start with. Sir, you are on mute, sir. You can. Yes, sir.
You are not audible.
May I
Sir.
start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can start. So you can
So-
close your. You can do your video off for the better net.
Yes, everything is available.
Okay.
So,
you-
may I start?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can start.
More hearty greetings from Neelachal municipality, Kerala. So I am presenting before you the educational programs undertaken by our humble municipality during the last 5 years of our tenure. We have given priority for the field of education since human resource development is the most important development than any other development activities. So during this period, we have constructed 11 classrooms for different schools from our municipal fund. 35 smart classrooms were further constructed. 58 toilet blocks were constructed, including separately for the girl students. Open air theater 1 was constructed. 1 separate playgrounds, 1 shuttle court, and 1 open air stage. These are the important infrastructural facilities which our municipality was provided by meeting our own development fund for our different schools, and other development activities from the government funds are extra. Smart classrooms were arranged in all UP and LP schools as a part of infrastructural developments. Next. These are the buildings constructed from municipal fund for different schools, including compound wall, computer labs and mathematics lab for higher secondary schools. Botany, zoology lab are common features. But for the first time in the history of this part of the Kerala, Neelachal municipality has provided mathematics lab for the higher secondary students. Computer labs are so many provided by municipal council, meeting expense from our own development funds. Solar energy under the rooftops of almost all the schools, we have provided solar panels for creating solar energy. So it is a awareness program for the children to know that solar energy is an alternative energy in the place of electricity. Both way it is benefited. We have a buds school for the special school for the children, those who are having that kind of limitations. So there is a buds school and there is a rehabilitation facilities there, which is called the Sneha Tunnel. In that Sneha Tunnel, we have provided a training center for the mothers of the children who are studying in the special school, buds school, so they can spend their free time in this training program, and they can do so many other different kinds of job, and it is a remunerative work also for them. So they got a positive energy by engaging themselves in a work-related program during the free time when they spend their children in the buds school. An autism center, district level autism center is also functioning in Neelachal with the financial aid from Neelachal municipality and also educational departments. There is an interactive session for the children. A district collector of Kasaragod, Dr. D. Sajid Babu, is interacting with our talented children in a classroom by engaging a class by the district collector himself to the children, which will which will create a confidence among the students that they are also part of the system of government in our country and in our place, part of the district administration. This district collector himself is engaging class. We have given priority to the education programs under 4 categories. First one is the development of infrastructure, classroom constructions, open air theater constructions, auditorium and playgrounds for the schools, including the toilet blocks, even especially and particularly for the girl child. The second stage of our concentration was for the quality improvement for the LSS and USS examinations, LP school, UP school, qualifying examination. We have provided intensive coaching. Laptops were provided for them to know the new methodological studies. English, Malayalam, and reverse dictionary, 2,500 dictionaries with 1,200 pages. 2,500 dictionaries were distributed from the students of 7th standard to the 11th standard to know the library language English, to make them familiar with the English reading and English methodology. Supplementary and complementary activities were done further. Counseling program were arranged to the children and also to the parents regarding the educational issues. Extra classes were arranged after 4 p.m. by providing tea and snacks for the students in different schools. Night classes were organized for the SSLC students in their neighborhood reading rooms or in the library, providing all other facilities for food and other things. Continuing education program, talent meets were organized in which it was done as a get together of meritorious students in different examinations with an interactive session participated by academicians, vice chancellors, university professors, the teachers who got national awards for their meritorious service, and also with the men of letters. When students react with academicians, district collectors, IAS officers, and also men of letters, it will inculcate a feeling among them that we are all considered by these great men or these important personalities. Let us, we also try to become an important persons through our higher level studies. So we have to concentrate in the studies to get great degrees, to become great people, and to serve the society. So that kind of a positive feeling we were able to develop among the students and also at large among the parents. And also it was a very, very encouraging methodology for the teachers also, who are the integral part of the educational system. So Neelachal
Sir,
municipality
I
has
request you to
given
please conclude the
priority.
presentation.
Yeah. Yes, I am concluding with one more
Yes,
sentence.
sir.
Neelachal municipality has given priority for education programs with the concept that the human resource development is the most important development than any other development. This is the most important sustainable development for the future. That is why we have given priority for the education programs. Thank you very much.
Yeah, well done, because you have caught them young. Now, see, this program is going, this new schools and constructions and giving coaching classes, talent meets and all that. It's going on for how many years now?
It is for the last, our council has taken charge in 2015. It is for the last 4.5 years.
4.5 years. So, did you find any improvement in the results which the children are doing, or you are not result oriented that way?
Yes, surely, madam. We got 100% results in the SSLC examinations for the last 2 years in all high schools of our Neelachal
Oh,
municipality.
that's very good. That's very
It is for
good.
the first time in the history of education, history of this part. And also we got, again we got the first place in Kerala state for earmarking maximum amount for educational programs and also continuing education program. That award we got yesterday for continuing education program. We got that award yesterday evening.
Oh, that's very good. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Sir, I have just going through the internet and I saw that the literacy rate in Kerala is 96.2%. is very high, highest in India.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you for the compliment. I was a project officer of the Saksharata program
Okay.
20 years back, and our project got first place in Kerala.
Good, sir. Very good.
Sharing,
I really
sharing.
appreciate that. So I just wanted to know that you have started this initiative considering what point? Already you are very literacy rate is very high in Kerala. Then what is the point in providing subsidy to the children, and what is the logic behind that? That is not clear to us.
I got the point. So that we are concentrating in the quality improvement, not only the number, quality improvement. That is why we have made supplementary and complementary programs like rigorous coaching for the LSS, USS examination for the children. We have provided the English, Malayalam and reverse dictionary for the children to know what is the beauty of English, the charm of English, being it is a library and link language, a international language English. Our students should not be backward when they are going soft skill development. Soft skill development. When they are attending an interview, our students should not be inferior in their presentation. They should know the correct phonetics, the correct meaning of the English language, because every interview, as you may be knowing, conducted in English when they are completing education. So quality improvement, even though 95% is the percentage of literacy, we are particular about it should be quality and qualification should go together. If there is no quality, no meaning in qualification. That is our humble feeling. Humble
Yes, sir.
feeling.
So what is your focus on whether
Our
you
concepts.
focus on urban area or in rural areas as well?
So ours is a semi-urban area. It is a municipality, which, a panchayat which was converted into municipality only in 2010. We are in the 10th anniversary today, this year.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Good effort.
it is a semi-urban area or semi-rural area. That is
Okay. Good efforts. Thank you
Thank you
very
for
much.
your words of appreciation.
Thank you.
Thank you.